To troubleshoot Trust Wallet, create wallet issues. Start by ensuring you have the latest version of the app installed on your device. This is crucial as updates often fix known bugs and improve overall performance. Next, check that your device meets the minimum system requirements for running Trust Wallet smoothly. If you're having trouble creating a wallet, the first step is to verify that you're using the correct wallet creation process. Trust Wallet offers the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Make sure you're selecting the right option for your needs. When creating a new wallet, you'll be asked to set a password and generate a recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet if you forget your password or lose access to your device. A common issue encountered during wallet creation is the seed phrase not being generated correctly. To avoid this, ensure you're in a secure environment and that no one can see your screen. Write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. If you encounter an error during the wallet creation process, try restarting the app or your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve connectivity or software issues. Additionally, check the Trust Wallet support page for any known issues or maintenance notifications that might be affecting wallet creation. For users who have successfully created a wallet but are experiencing issues with accessing it, ensure that you're using the correct password and recovery phrase. If you've forgotten your password, use the recovery phrase to regain access to your wallet. Remember, your recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you forget your password. So keep it safe. To further secure your wallet, enable two-factor authentication and keep your device's operating system and Trust Wallet app up to date. Regularly update your password and consider using a hardware wallet for added security. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot common issues with creating a Trust Wallet. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and recovery phrase to ensure the safety of your cryptocurrency assets.